The major money rotation from gold back to Bitcoin will start exactly now. Historical speaking, this was the moment people started to put their profits from gold back in Bitcoin, and every single time Bitcoin rallied after. This causes for major trade setups in the crypto market, and I am looking at this insane trading setup right now. We will deep dive into every single detail here in today's daily update video. But first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel if you love those daily update videos, and of course like these daily update videos. And we will dive right away into the content now, because we have a really interesting chart in front of us. This is the Bitcoin against the gold chart. And why is this so important? Bitcoin and gold has always been a interesting chart to look out for. Why? Most of the people are either in gold or either in Bitcoin. And if you look at the history of this chart, what we actually can see is that usually we are on the monthly time frame. It takes 14 months, 14 bars for gold to take big momentum against Bitcoin, and afterwards Bitcoin exploded towards the upside. Right here we saw 13 months, 13 bars, gold in control, and after that Bitcoin took over the control, started new higher highs here. Right here, exactly the same. 14 days, 14 bars, 14 months. After that, Bitcoin causes for a major rally towards the upside. And what is so important about this chart? Bitcoin has been out-controlled by gold 14 months in a row. After that, after 40 months, Bitcoin gained back control. Money flowed from gold back into Bitcoin, and after that, Bitcoin started to rally towards the upside. But that is one thing. And the second thing, which is really important, if you look throughout this chart, we are in a massive uptrend. What does this mean? That Bitcoin over time is creating way more value back against gold. This is so important because this usually means that if we swap this trend back towards the upside, Bitcoin will gain massive strength against gold. And this will cause for major Bitcoin prices of approximately $250,000 if we are seeing this rotation. 14 bars and one time 13 bars, 14 months after the rotation from Bitcoin to gold, gold started to gain some big momentum right here. But after 14 months, Bitcoin gained back momentum against gold. And guess what? Right now, we're literally at the 14th bar, which means, historical speaking, that this could be the moment that people are starting to put their gold profits back in Bitcoin. And after that, Bitcoin took over control for months here. And Bitcoin set all-time high after all-time high after this money rotation. And of course, we want to benefit from all those moves here. And major trade setups are unfolding right now because we have been doing exactly what we wanted. We took out all the liquidity below here. We dropped below that line. That means that every single stop loss, every single order has been filled below this low. This means also that we are in massive support, which is a really good signal. I've been talking about this trade setup for a while here, but I really think if we have patience, this could be a banger of a trade here. And right now we are seeing some more confirmations with the day. Right here, this was the start of the impulse. So from this point, this whole move towards the downside, towards a new lower low started for Bitcoin. This is a really interesting point in the market because we really want to gain this level towards the upside to gain some momentum towards the top side here. But either if we lose this level, we can short this also towards the downside. So let's go toward a little bit lower time frame here. So the white line is the level we really want to gain here, and if we see a rejection from that, we can short this towards the downside. If we manage to gain it towards the upside, we can long this trade towards the upside. What is really important for a short, we need to gain this level, this low. We need to break it towards the downside to trade the further move towards the downside. If we see that happening, the trade would look like this, something like this, towards the downside, towards new lows once again, to take some more liquidity, to accumulate some more Bitcoin. But if price doesn't break this low, so we can go down from more eventually and then move further on towards the upside. Without a loss of this level, we're not trading this short towards the downside. If Bitcoin managed to gain this drop-off point towards the upside on the hourly time frame, and with the gain I mean a candle open and a candle close, we can long this trade towards the upside, and that long trade would also look something like this and trade it further towards the upside. So it's pretty clear here. A break towards the upside with a candle close and open above this drop-off point means a long, and a loss of this level, candle open and close below this white line right over here, managed a short here. And if one of these things will play out in the upcoming days here, if something unfolds in the market due to the trading conditions we are seeing right now, I will keep you posted over on my X page, and of course over in these daily update videos. So please make sure to follow me over on those socials to never miss something ever again in crypto, because we are crushing the market here. You can always join my free trading community with the first link in the description. It's completely free and you will be posted about everything in crypto and the steps I am taking to open up any trades here in the market. The only thing you need to do is trade over on the best exchange out there. Why? You need to have the best trading circumstances possible if you want to put your money on a exchange. You need to have good liquidity, good security, and Blowfin and Weex are the best exchanges out there with the best trading circumstances. So if you want to trade over on those exchanges, please make sure to sign up on Weex through the link in the description, and to sign up on Blowfin through the link in the description. And also, if we look at the Bitcoin longs, we can actually see that whales are back accumulating Bitcoin. And this is a massive signal, because this means that people are opening up some major long positions in the market. That means that the longer we are ranging in this range here, what we are doing, the bigger the expansion towards the upside will be. This is not a bearish signal, not at all, because people are literally opening up more long positions towards the upside. Of course, it could take some little bit more time for the real move to come, but eventually, if the real moves comes over on Bitcoin, the expansion will be even bigger for Bitcoin. So this is a really bullish signal that people are still opening up longs positions at the $90,000 here. This is a massive signal for the longer term on Bitcoin. Also, if you look at the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, we can see that the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index just hit extreme fear. Once again, we are at a score of 20 against 100. This means extreme fear. And please keep in mind that we are at $88,000 and we are hitting extreme fear. This is massive. Extreme fear is, historical speaking, the best moment to buy your Bitcoin. Because if you look at this last bull run, right here, extreme fear, if you bought at extreme fear, bam, Bitcoin exploded towards the upside. Right here, extreme fear, the exact bottom, bam, Bitcoin started to move towards the upside after. Right here, extreme fear once again, bam, it was the bottom, Bitcoin moved towards the upside once again. Right now, we're in extreme fear once again. And guess what? This will be the bottom too for Bitcoin. And the next major leg towards the upside will start. And I will end with that, because this is a massive buy opportunity on Bitcoin. If you believe me or not, but I am making a big amount of money with this last moves here, and that is exactly what I've been talking about in the last daily update videos here. So please make sure to follow me over on X and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel to never miss a big move in crypto ever again. And I will see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.